Breakfast and weight loss, the connection.
Starting your day with a filling, low-calorie breakfast can help control hunger, reduce snacking, and support weight loss goals. Choosing the right foods ensures you feel satisfied without consuming excess calories. Here are 5 nutrient-rich breakfast ideas that keep you full while helping you stay on track with your weight loss journey.
1. Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds.
Non-fat Greek yogurt is packed with protein and low in calories. Add a handful of fresh berries for natural sweetness and fiber, and sprinkle with chia seeds for healthy fats and extra satiety. This combination helps keep you full for hours and supports gut health with probiotics and fiber.
2. Veggie omelet with spinach and tomatoes.
Eggs are a protein powerhouse that promote fullness. Make a quick omelet using 1 whole egg and extra egg whites. Then add spinach, tomatoes, and your favorite non-starchy vegetables. This meal is nutrient-dense, low in calories, and rich in vitamins, making it a satisfying and weight-friendly breakfast.
3. Overnight oats with almond milk and flaxseed.
The previous user expressed a benefit, energy from overnight oats, improved results, and great. Please suggest me making this combination with some tips so you can make it plain.
4. Cottage cheese and sliced peaches.
Low-fat cottage cheese offers a big protein boost with few calories. Pair it with fresh or canned peaches packed in juice, drained, for a touch of sweetness and added vitamins. This refreshing breakfast keeps you full and supports muscle preservation while lowering overall calorie intake.
5. Avocado toast on whole grain bread.
Whole grain bread gives filling fiber, while avocado adds healthy fats and creaminess. Smash half an avocado with lemon and black pepper. Spread over toasted whole grain bread and consider adding tomato slices for extra flavor. This combination balances healthy fats, fiber, and satisfaction, making it ideal for weight management.
Tips for a satisfying, healthy breakfast.
To maximize breakfast's benefits for weight loss, focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Avoid added sugars and highly processed foods, and listen to your hunger cues. With these 5 filling, low-calorie ideas, you can enjoy delicious breakfasts that support both satiety and your weight loss goals.